super excited about
Oh, that's all, folks.
Yeah, that was my Elmer Fudd impression. Now let's get back to the show. We are going to bring you a one-time only value. This is Tara Tesher. I think I got all that out.
Hi.
Without a stumble. It is nice to see you back, friends.
Always great to be here.
Good to
Thank
see you.
Thank you.
And this is what's so exciting. It's a 2 foot by 3 foot washable, non-slip rug. How many of these do you think are already gone?
I have no idea.
600.
Wow.
600
Well,
already.
I got to tell you, when you
door.
say washable and personal size, like 2 by 3, you can tuck this anywhere, and we have all these great colors. And wait till I show you the brilliance behind it. They're awesome.
Did you notice my new shoes?
They're adorable.
They're from a brand called Propay.
I like it. They look squishy.
And they are squishy, and they also come in triple width. I'm not wearing a triple
there
width.
you go.
But if you need a triple width, we can help you.
Let me get my size 5.5 foot over here.
Look at your little baby
okay,
feet.
sorry. That's black.
Next to my great big feet. This is the black.
Yes.
This is the gray. Hello, yellow.
I love the pop of yellow there. Hello, spring.
And taupe, which is great for neutrals.
Goes perfectly with your shoes.
Doesn't it? And then the red, and then the blue, and then the confetti. Now, if you want confetti, we have 300 remaining. And let's go back to the gray.
Sure, down here.
There are only 200 left in this gray.
The gray's stunning. So the black and the gray are similar, meaning that the black has a more of a charcoal background and then truly black in the flowers. This is more of like a light gray with like that real beautiful stainless steel gray there, that charcoal gray that you see there. I just wanted to show you, here's what we love about it.
Excuse me one
second.
second.
I'm sorry.
I'm just going to move one color down.
Okay.
Because black and gray.
You don't want them side by side?
I want black and
Here's the best part of
black
the
and blue
okay.
together.
Here's the best part of the technology. You have those no-slip grips on the back, which is fantastic. So these little nubs that also add for a little comfort. And then you also, when you want to go ahead and put this in your washing machine, all you're going to do, this is the Gel Pro technology. 2 reasons. It'll keep it from slipping, so you can literally just take that little plastic film, peel it off, and you have that sticky bottom. When you want to wash it, you're going to take the entire piece off of that hook and loop closure that you see there and put it in your washing machine. So the film on top keeps it from non-stick, keeps it to stick on the ground, and then you take the whole thing off when you want to wash it. That's all you need to know. You have a beautiful bound rug, 2 by 3 feet. You have that gorgeous, beautiful pattern, and my favorite part is they're washable. These rugs to me become disposable, the ones that you buy anywhere else, because you can't wash them. Right. And they're such heavy foot
And once
traffic.
they get filthy, you're like, what's the point?
Right, I'm just going to get a new one. Right, with this, you can wash it time and time again, which is fantastic. And I always say a rug is a true expression of kind of your style, whether this is in the kitchen, in front of your sink, whether it's by a side door, front door, wherever you want to put it, covered porch. These are great. 1,200
of these are gone.
This is phenomenal.
Everybody is after this great price, the one-time only value price, if you want the black. Most popular, I have 3,700 available. Don't wait on the black. Here's the blue.
I love that blue.
2,200 left in the blue. This is gray. 5 dozen left in the gray. We're going to start taking some out of here. This is Hello Yellow. 1,300. This is the red. 1,600. This is taupe. 500 left in the taupe. And then finally I have it in the confetti. 200 in the confetti. Okay, hand me the gray because it's gone.
Oh, I love that gray. Bye,
we'll
gray.
take the gray and we'll pass it off this way.
Are we moving things down? I just want to know in advance. We could, he says.
We could if you want to.
Sure. I always want to. I have to say a couple of things. So the black is a nice gray alternative, right?
There it is.
Because you have that charcoal gray, but you have the black in the flower. So that's why we call it that black. All of them have that Gel Pro technology there. That's what makes it easy to non-stick slip, which I love. Again, we love that, and I talk about this with my mom a lot. When you have those rugs that kind of are throws, and you step on them and they slip, they're not safe. The fact that you can take all 4 corners and secure this, and then when you want, pull it back up and wash it. That's what we love about it, and it has that little nub technology on the back that also helps with that non-slip.
2,000 are now gone.
Wow.
I have 1,000 customers on the phone lines. I have 100 left in confetti. Let's go through all the colors.
Yeah.
This is black. 3,400 left in the black, but most popular. Okay, here's the blue. 2,100 left in the blue. Hello Yellow. 1,200 left in the Hello Yellow. This is red. 1,500 in the red, and then we're going to boogie on over to taupe. 250 in the taupe, but if you want confetti, I have fewer than 100 remaining. We've now taken orders for 2,600 in this show, and most people picking up more than one. Put this in front of your sink.
Yes.
Oh, confetti just sold out.
You know what else? A viewer called in and said she put it in front of her fireplace, which I thought was really sweet. So she was able to kind of cozy up that space in front of her fireplace. So I thought that was a really cute idea. And what's great is any soot or anything that gets on it, you can wash it.
I have taken to putting a little rug in front of my sink because I dribble a lot. And so this is when I wash my hands are drippy.
Sure.
And I'm reaching for the dish towel, and that's a problem. I get ice out of the door of the refrigerator, some ice flies on the floor.
Yes.
This is what it's all about. Just helping you out when you can't see to pick things up or don't have time to bend down and do a little quick wipe. This is going to be what is great. And when it gets a little dirty, you can wash it. Just peel these off. Now, these are reusable?
They're reusable. So there's a little plastic film. You peel that off, that's sticky. This is what you put down in your four corners when you want to stick it to the place where you decide. When you want to wash the whole piece itself, you take this with hook and loop closure, take it off, put it in the washing machine, put them right back on when it's dry.
Tara, we just lost taupe.
Oh, taupe are
so
super
taupe
neutral.
is gone.
I love the idea
now,
for blue.
4,000 of these are now gone.
Blue is such a great for like if you have a sunroom or out to the back door or even maybe like a playroom or something where you want a little comfort and you want a little, maybe there's a high traffic area. This is a great way to do that too. I love mixing and matching some of these colors.
You know what these
too.
also do? They hide sins. When you've got a bad piece of carpet, a high traffic area you can't get clean, a rip, a tear, a scar on the floor.
Sure. We all have them.
Bang, throw this rug on it, and nobody needs to see it, right? So this is what it's all about. But if you sell the house, disclose it. This is important. Here, 4,500 are gone. This is black, 2,500 remain. Here's blue, 1,700. Hello, yellow.
Hello, yellow.
How many? 1,100, and finally the red. 1,100. How about that yellow for springtime?
I love that.
For summertime? How about the red and the blue for summertime?
Or you can do the red holiday, right? The red becomes seasonless, right? Because you can, of course, use that beautiful red all year round. And then when the holidays come, how perfect to pop that anywhere.
I would use this black.
I love the black.
In the fall of the year.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Gorgeous.
You know, and it's got all those great, and this is, I love the close-up, thanks guys. You know, this isn't just like a regular rug. You really have that beautiful, almost like canvas backdrop on the bottom. Then you have the gorgeous pattern applied, and then you have it beautifully bound all the way around. And then there's that technology, that Gel Pro technology that sticks and puts it where you want it, or take it off when you want to wash it.
Isn't this called serging?
Yeah, serging, exactly.
Serging. Yeah.
Yes. Yes, and beautifully all the way around. So 2 feet by 3 feet. So think about all those spaces where you want a little comfort, where you want a little pop of color. This is going to be that rug, and the fact that you can wash it, that's where I was sold. The fact that, again, they're beautiful, they take the pattern gorgeous, but they're useful, they're practical, and they're cleanable.
We have taken orders for 5,200 rugs.
Thank you, everybody.
You have just over an hour left at this price.
It's yellow.
But I'm telling you, they're going very quickly. And they're now half gone. So half the quantity we brought in for the entire day is gone. If you're looking to pick this up, I would get it now. If you want more than one or 2 different colors, I would say get them now. Don't wait, because if you do, you may find that horrible message on the app that says, oops. That one went fast.
I was laughing when you said it before. Exactly. And here's the deal. What I love about this is, again, you can pick up multiple colors to tell a different story, or you can pick up a couple, which I know you're doing today, and really accent that. Maybe it's in front of the door, like we said, in front of the front door, covered porch. Love the idea of that. Even if you already have a mat down and you want to freshen it up by adding this, you can do that as well. So once you get it home, you'll find so many different places for it. And I promise you, the washing is so easy. Throw it right in the washing machine, and you are good to go.
So you don't necessarily need a front loader for
Correct.
this.
You do not. You literally just look at this. Bink, right in the washer.
Right in the washer.
Whoop, right
I mean,
in the
how many of
washer.
you have a rug at home and you can do that? I don't.
Nope.
Hey, this is fantastic. We are very, very busy on our phone lines. Well over 6,000 ordered. I have over 1,000 customers waiting to place orders, and 1,500 people picking up more than one. Wow. Now, if you want the red, I have 850 remaining. If you want hello yellow, 950 are left. If you want blue, 1,300 left in blue. That may sound like a lot, but we brought in more blue, right?
Yes.
And if you want black, we brought in the most of it, but only 1,500 are left.
I think it's the most neutral. Like if you're kind of looking at the colors and you're like, I'm not really sure where to start. The black takes on so many different looks. You have the white, you have the gray, and you have the black.
If you're buying for a wedding you're going to this spring or summer and you are flummoxed.
Yes.
That's a big word we don't use often. You're flummoxed over what color to get someone, and you're wondering what's a safe harbor color?
You're
This
right.
one.
Yes. And then blue's always a happy color, and so is yellow. So these are your happies.
What they say about blue?
What?
If you're ever unlucky enough to be in a court of law, wear blue because it's trustworthy.
Oh.
You see me in blue a lot.
I was just going to say, I'm not drawing this conclusion to whatever it is you're leading, this path you're leading me down.
Yeah, I'm this primrose path I'm leading you down.
This witness is not saying anything. Okay?
This witness is wearing yellow. I don't know. So, hey, we are very excited to have you back, my friend.
Always great to be
Always a
here.
pleasure
Thanks,
to see
everybody.
you. Stay on the line here. We'll keep you updated. You have only until 3